If you're seeing DaVinci Resolve error code 9999, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get your timeline playing again. This issue is often caused by corrupted render cache or a GPU failure while processing cached frames, so the goal here is to clear out the bad cache data and let Resolve rebuild everything fresh. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the Edit page with your clips visible on the timeline. This is important because we want to confirm the project is loaded and the error is happening during normal playback. Next, go to the Playback menu at the top of the screen, then choose Delete Render Cache and click All. This step removes any cached frames that may have become corrupted and are causing playback to fail. In many cases, this alone can clear the error because Resolve is no longer trying to use damaged cache files. After that, we need to go a little deeper and clear the cache files directly from your system. Go to DaVinci Resolve, then open Preferences and head into Media Storage. This section shows you where Resolve is storing cache files on your computer, which is useful because we want to remove the broken files manually. Once you've checked the cache location, close DaVinci Resolve completely. Do not skip this part because the files may still be locked while the program is open. Now open the first folder listed in Media Storage and look for folders named CacheClip and GPUCache. Delete both of them. CacheClip can store rendered preview data, and GPUCache can hold graphics-related cache files that may be tied to the error. If those files are corrupted, removing them gives Resolve a clean slate. After deleting them, reopen DaVinci Resolve and go back to your timeline. Start playing the footage again and let the program rebuild the cache from scratch. This is the key part of the fix, because Resolve will now generate fresh cache files instead of trying to reuse broken ones. If the error was caused by corrupted render cache or a GPU issue while processing cached frames, this process often resolves it. If you still run into trouble, double-check that you deleted the correct cache folders, and make sure your media storage location has enough free space. You can also try restarting your computer before opening Resolve again, since that can help clear stuck background processes. But in most cases, deleting the render cache and removing CacheClip and GPUCache is the fastest way to fix error 9999. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more editing fixes, troubleshooting guides, and DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.